Today I'm going to show you guys how to make cinnamon rolls on the Tembo Tusk Skottle. So everything that you're going to need: 12-inch pie pan, any type of cinnamon roll that you want, some canola oil, and for the Tembo Tusk we will need the little grate that it's going to sit on top of, because we're essentially going to steam the cinnamon rolls to cook them, and then you're going to need a lid. Before we put these cinnamon rolls into the pan, we're actually going to warm up the Tembo Tusk first. So what we're going to do is open it up, and if you have the grill, make sure it's up high like this. You're going to place it like that so we can put water underneath this. You're essentially going to grab maybe a cup of water, just enough water to really cover the bottom half. I usually do quite a bit because this is going to actually sit underneath for about 12 minutes while it's steaming and cooking the cinnamon rolls. So let's get the grill going. There it is. Let's get the cinnamon rolls into the pan. Put our frosting to the side here. And then before we put the cinnamon rolls into the pan, we're actually going to give this a good coat of oil. You can start putting them . And there you go. That is it. We actually have some water boiling now, which is good. It's going to create that steaming effect. So we can go ahead and put this in. Put it in like that, and then just close the lid. And we're going to let it cook for about 12 to 14 minutes. And if you see the water running low, so you're going to want to check it every couple minutes just to make sure the water hasn't all evaporated. And if it does, just add a little bit more water. All right, guys, so it's been about 10, 12 minutes or so, and we're just going to go check out and see how they're doing. They're looking really good. We still got some water at the bottom, which is good. So now what I'm going to just check for is that the insides are cooked. And looks like we still got a little bit of doughiness on the inside. So we're going to let it keep going for probably another 3 minutes or so. I think in total this thing has now been on for about 15 to 18 minutes or so. But let's go check them out. So now check the middle, make sure that it's fully cooked all the way through. And it looks like it is now. So you can see there's no doughiness in the middle. Yep, it's looking good. You could probably put it in there for another 3 to 5 minutes or so again, but we like ours kind of, soft and gooey, so we'll actually call this good now. So let me just turn off the Tembo Tusk. Usually what I do is I'm just gonna put a dollop on top, because what's going to happen is, like, as the icing starts to melt, it'll make it a lot easier to spread.
So just give it a little dollop all around.
I recovered it for a little bit just to let the icing melt, but now we are ready to roll. So I'm going to come in here with my knife. There you have it, guys. Cinnamon rolls on the Tembo Tusk Skottle.